In this DIY tutorial, you'll learn how you can make an adorable sock bouquet made from sock flowers. It is so easy and it comes together really cute. Hi, my name is Anna. Thanks for joining me here at Fun Sock Creations. I'm so glad you're here. Let's get started on this fun project. You'll need these supplies to make your sock flowers. You can also head on over to funsockcity.com to find socks for this project. I'm gifting 3 pairs of socks, so there will be 6 flowers altogether. I'll show you how to make 1 flower and then you can make the rest, and then I'll show you how I put them all together. Begin by taking just one of the socks and you'll fold it in half like this while you're working with it, and you'll start up at the top, and this is going to be the center of your flower, and just twist it around, but instead of continuously twisting all the way around that center point, add a twist of the whole sock every now and then to add some texture. And I like to twist in different directions sometimes, but then sometimes you keep it the same way. You just want to have some variety. When you get to that toe of the sock, just tuck it right in a little loop right there. And that's how it stays tucked. I don't love what my heel is doing right there, so I'm going to see what I can do. Adjust it as you want to, and then that's 1 flower. So you'll take your dowel and then take floral tape. Start at the top. It doesn't have to be all the way at the top because that's going to go inside the flower. And with floral tape, the trick is you have to pull it tight to get it to stay. And then you'll just angle it down, and you'll do that all the way down to the bottom. To make the stem of the flower, I'm taking 1 dowel. This is a 3/16 inch diameter and it is 12 inches long. You can actually buy packs of these at craft stores, or you could go to a home improvement store and get them there and have them cut to size. And at the bottom, just pull that tight and break it off. And then you'll insert it at the bottom of your sock flower, just like that. There you have a really cute little sock flower. Go ahead and make your other sock flowers that you'll be doing. I'll be displaying my flowers in just a mason jar. I had a bunch of leftover greenery from a different project that I'm going to be using for this one. I actually did buy this because I thought it would look nice as a nice filler. So I'm actually going to put this inside the jar, and I'll kind of stack the flowers in all these little spaces so that it can spread out that greenery. Try to put the sock flowers in a way that you don't have one style right next to the same style. So now I want to fill in some of these spaces where it just kind of feels empty. This one bends, so I'm going to actually use that to my advantage. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just looking at where it just feels empty. So figure out where you want to put it. I'm going to put mine just right below the flower, and then I'm going to use my floral tape and just wrap that around at the base of the leaves. And once you've come down this dowel just a little bit, then you can rip off the tape. Now to me it still feels just a little bit empty, especially right in here. So I rearranged them just a little bit to get one in the center. I have some leftover baby's breath from another project. I'm just going to take those and set those right in there. It just kind of helps to visually break it up. If you'd like to go with a more wrapped bouquet look, first take some tissue paper, and this is just some recycled stuff from some past presents. And I kind of lay mine so it's not all stacked right on top of each other. I've kind of alternated it like this. Then take your greenery that you have, put it up towards the top. Then all of these are going to have a way that looks more upward. So you want to lay that facing up. And then I like to kind of pull some of that greenery through. Then take this bottom part, fold it up, and bring the sides over and wrap it around. If it kind of tries to come in front, just fold that open. Then take some ribbon, or I have some rope twine that I'm going to use, and just tie that around the base. Now if you don't have the extra greenery, it looks just fine without it. Very cute. If you did yours along with me, I hope you love it. Let me know in the comments below if you liked it. Or if you have any questions, let me know those also. Don't forget to subscribe, and then check out some more video options over here. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.